Welcome. Today in this video I will show you how to design a logo easily. So let's begin. First you open Chrome and type Canva and search. Then go to the Canva website. And search YouTube logo. Before you search, log in to canva.com.
It's time to stop. It's time to stop, okay? No more.
And search YouTube logo. And click YouTube channel. Wait until to load page. And you can see there is a lot of templates. You can choose one and edit it.
Oh my God! Wow!
I will choose this. And see how I edit this template. You can easily learn in Canva because it is very simple editor. I will speed up this process. And I finished my edit. To download this logo, click on Share, and click Download. Then you go to youtube.com. Then you click on Gmail profile icon. Then click on YouTube Studio. Scroll down. Then click Customization. Click on Brandings. Click on Upload. And find the logo. Where did you saved? And select it. And click Open. Then click Done.
Oh my God! Wow!
Finally click Publish. I hope that you understand the video. Thanks for watching.